Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover a Snapchat account. Locked account fixed step by step clearly. First, make sure you are using the official Snapchat app from the App Store or Google Play. Check your internet connection and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. Close Snapchat completely and reopen it to refresh the login session. Restart your phone to clear temporary glitches that can block sign-in. Update Snapchat to the latest version to avoid login errors caused by old builds. If you use a VPN or proxy, turn it off because Snapchat can lock accounts for suspicious routing. Open a browser and go to the official Snapchat accounts page at Accounts. Snapchat.com. Tap or click Login and enter your Snapchat username or email and your password. If you forgot your password, choose Forgot Your Password and reset it by SMS or email. After you can log in on the website, look for the Unlock option for locked accounts. Go directly to the Unlock page by typing this address, Accounts, Snapchat.com/accounts/unlock. Press Unlock and wait for the confirmation message that your account is available again. Return to the Snapchat app and try signing in with the same credentials. If you see Temporarily Locked, stop trying repeatedly because too many attempts extend the lock. Wait at least 30 minutes to 24 hours before trying again, depending on how many attempts happened. Remove any third-party Snapchat apps, plugins, or tweaks because they often trigger locks. If your device is rooted or jailbroken, consider using Snapchat on a non-modified device to test. Go to your phone settings and clear Snapchat cache. Then reopen the app and try again. On Android, you can also clear Snapchat data. But remember, this removes local app settings. Check your email inbox and spam folder for Snapchat security messages about unusual activity. If you suspect hacking, change your password to a strong new one that you do not use anywhere else. Enable two-factor authentication in Snapchat settings to prevent future lockouts. Verify your email and phone number inside Snapchat to help account recovery succeed. If the unlock page does not work, open Snapchat support at Snapchat.com. Choose I can't access my account, and then my account is locked in the help options. Submit the support form with your username, email, phone, device model, and a clear description. Be honest and mention any recent password changes, device changes, or third-party app usage. Wait for Snapchat's response and avoid repeated login attempts while the ticket is being reviewed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.